Alright, so here is a look at the Treatlife 60 watt smart LED bulbs. So 650 lumens, equivalent to a 60 watt light bulb from the old days. Compatible with Google Home, Alexa, info on the box there. You can see that. So color changing, so we got a different colors available here. Alright, so product number there on the bottom if you want to see that. Alright, so taking a look inside. There we go. It's hinged. There we go, to open up and show us the 4 light bulbs. Pretty standard sort of light bulb size, obviously, right socket there. Brand name, Treatlife, 650 lumens. So, I guess the instructions are hidden on the side in here. There we go. So, user manual. How to get the app to control. I already have, because I have a couple of Treatlife products already. Very happy with them in the past. So I will look over the instructions and make sure I understand all the steps here for pairing. But I don't really use Google Home, Google Assistant, or Alexa, but we use the app to control these. Maybe put some of them on a timer, which is very possible there. So that is what is inside the box. Alright, so here is my initial test subject. A not very elegant standard sort of light switch. It's actually a sort of a 3 switch sort of thing, so hope that's not going to be a problem. Just at a comparison, so here's the traditional bulb we had in there, and so this one is slightly a little bit bigger, obviously longer, but fit in our standard light there without any problem. Alright, so I have launched the Smart app. Try to keep that here so we can actually sort of see it. In the meantime, so I'm going to add, if we go to lighting, we have a lighting Wi-Fi light bulb, so I'm going to try that. So, alright, so I followed the steps on the screen here for resetting on, off, or on, whatever, to reset. So confirming it is definitely blinking, and so I will then pair it to my Wi-Fi network. So now it is connecting the bulb to the network. Usually this part goes pretty quickly. Stop blinking, so it must be talking there somewhat. Sorry, that's a little bit out of focus. And there we go. Added smart bulb, so I can give that a name. So this is our TV room light bulb. So there it's named, done, and sure enough, lamp is on, TV room. I can play with the dimming here and play with the, ooh, that's nice. So the color temperature. So we can go from a sort of bluish down to a warmer nighttime light. That's very, very nice. Like that. And then we can, ooh, nice, play with colors. So I guess we get to spin the wheel and choose a color. Very, very cool. And then obviously play with brightness within the color and even change the amount of the color, shade of the color this way as well. So that's pretty nice. So if I just go back to there, we can go white to color, and not sure what the picture of the cat is telling us here, but I guess these are just different color sort of temperatures for reading. Soft light, okay, that's nice. So I guess these are just sort of moods to match there, so interesting. And then we could do scheduling, so put a timer on it, so once someone turns it on, you can't read that very well, but set a timer of how long before it should turn off. Easy to set up. I am thrilled. That is bright enough for us in here, and love the color temperature. I've become very sensitive to the bluish light, especially at night, so being able to turn it on to a warmer mode there at night is really nice. Obviously you can tie into Alexa, Google Assistant. I don't use any of those, but all kinds of other features that I don't necessarily need, but being able to put it on a schedule would be nice. Alright, so I forgot to kind of show on the main screen here of the Smart Life app. You can obviously just turn the device on or off and control the brightness straight from here, and change the color temperature as well. And control the switch like that. On my home screen as well, I have the Smart Life widget, and now I have the TV room light available for me there, so I can easily turn that on and off without even having to open the app. Alright, so I also went and added a couple Siri shortcuts for the light bulb. Let's see if they work. Hey Siri, TV room off.
I'm on it. Okay.
Hey Siri, TV room bright.
Just a tick. That's done.
Hey Siri, TV room dim.
I'm on it. That's done.
Hey Siri, TV room bright.
Just a sec. That's done.
Hey Siri, TV room off.
I'm on it. That's done.
So, very, very, very happy, as with everything that Treatlife I've purchased there. Been very, very pleased with their products. Everything's been perfectly reliable, so I hope this is a helpful look at the smart light bulb 4-pack from Treatlife. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.